Everyone, welcome to Study with Tricks 15-minute series. Today we are going to discuss 1st September current affairs. Which Indian state launched the Bharat Ratna initiative, also known as the Integrated Global Financial Technology Capability Hub? So, which state government has been launched? Odisha state government has been launched the Bharat Ratna initiative, officially known as the Integrated Global Financial Technology Capability Hub. So, on when it was launched on August 23rd in Bhubaneswar. This initiative is a collaboration between the Odisha and GFTN and the Asian Institute of Digital Finance at the National University of Singapore. Its main goal is to make Odisha as a global financial tech hub by promoting innovation in artificial intelligence, blockchain, digital finance, and insur tech. Which city hosted the second Global Spiritual Tourism Conclave organized by PHDCCI on August 27, 2025? The answer is Ujjain. So it's a second Global Spiritual Tourism Conclave was hosted in Ujjain on when? On 27th August. So it was organized by who? It was organized by PhD Chamber of Commerce and Industries in collaboration with the Ministry of Tourism and the Madhya Pradesh Tourism Board. So what is the aim? It event aimed to promote spiritual tourism for economic growth and cultural exchange. The theme was Romantic Hub. So it was inaugurated by the government name is important. Which government has been inaugurated this global spiritual tourism conclave? The answer is Madhya Pradesh, Ujjain. Which country launched RYT Bank, the world's first artificial intelligence powered bank? The answer is Malaysia. Malaysia country launched RYT Bank, the world's first artificial intelligence powered bank led by YTL Group in partnership with C Limited. So these are the revision MCQs regarding the artificial intelligence. India's first AI city, Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh. India's first AI plus campus by BRICS Pilani, Andhra Pradesh. India's first AI-based road safety pilot started in Uttar Pradesh. What is the name? What is the India's rank in the Standard AI Index 2025? India got 7th rank. In which country was the world's first AI child born? In Mexico through IVF fertilization. Which state has launched India's first AI-powered real-time forest alert in May 2025? The answer is Madhya Pradesh. Which city launched the world's first artificial intelligence powered passenger corridor that allows travelers to clear immigration in seconds without showing passport? The answer is Dubai. What is the name of the artificial intelligence literacy program launched in 2025 to empower women in digital inclusion, cybersecurity, and safe online practices, especially targeting rural and semi-urban communities? The answer is Yashoda AI. In which village was India's first AI-powered Anganwadis launched? Vadamma, Maharashtra. When is India set to host the AI Impact Summit? The answer is February 2026. Who was appointed as the Vice President and Chief Risk Officer of the New Development Bank founded by BRICS nation? The answer is Rajiv Ranjan. So Rajiv Ranjan was appointed as the Vice President and Chief Risk Officer of the New Development Bank. Very, very important. The New Development Bank was founded by the founding members of BRICS nations like Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa. Who was appointed as the Executive Director of the International Monetary Fund in August 2025? The answer is Urjit Patel. So he was the former governor of the Reserve Bank of India, was appointed as the Executive Director at the IMF for the term of 3 years. So he's replacing KV Subramaniam. So these are the revision MCQs. Who was related to appointments? Who was re-elected as the President of the Boxing Federation of India for the third consecutive term in August 2025? The answer is Ajay Singh. Who has been reappointed as the Central Board of Director Taxes till June 2026? The answer is Ravi Agarwal. Who has been appointed as the new Chief of Research and Analytics Wing, RA? Answer is Parag Jain. Who has been elected as the President of the Asian Infrastructure investment bank? The answer is Jio Jiaji. Who has been appointed as the first woman Director General of Railway Protection Force? The answer is Sonali Mishra. Who has been appointed as the 52nd Chief Justice of India? The answer is B.R. Gavai. Who has been recently appointed as the new CEO of the International Cricket Council? The answer is Sanjup Gupta. Which electric SUV was launched by Maruti Suzuki as its first battery electric vehicle, marking a milestone in India's green mobility journey? The answer is Vitara. Because this question is important, this one has been launched by or inaugurated by who? Prime Minister Narendra Modi. So this marks a major step in India's green mobility and Make in India initiative. Who became the first Indian female compound archer to win the individual junior world title at the World Youth Archery Championship? The answer is Chikita Taniparthi. So this was held in where? Canada. So she is the first Indian female compound archer to win the gold in individual junior world title. Which country developed the Rampage supersonic air-to-surface missile recently acquired by the Indian Air Force after its successful use in Operation Sindoor? The answer is Israel. So the Rampage missile is a supersonic air-to-surface missile developed by whom? Developed by Israel Aerospace Industries. According to the International Renewable Energy Agency, which country became the world's third largest solar power producer by surpassing Japan? The answer is India. So India became the third largest solar power producer in the world by generating how much? 108,494 gigawatt of solar energy. So it was surpasses which country? Japan. So what was Japan's power generation? 96,459 gigawatt. Which Indian Defence Organization conducted the maiden flight test of the Integrated Air Defence Weapon System as part of Mission Sudarshan Chakra? The answer is DRDO. So DRDO conducted the first flight test of the Integrated Air Defence Weapon System of the Odisha coast. So this system is a part of which one? Mission Sudarshan Chakra, which aims to build a multi-layered indigenous security shield across India by when? By 2035. Which football club won the Durand Cup title in 2025 by defeating Diamond Harbour? The answer is Northeast United FC won the Durand Cup. In which Indian state was the country's first tempered glass manufacturing plant inaugurated on August 30? August 30, the answer is Uttar Pradesh. Who inaugurated? Union Minister Ashwini Vaishnaw inaugurated the India's first tempered glass manufacturing plant by Optimus Infracom Limited in Noida, Uttar Pradesh on August 30, 2025. In which country was the annual Chiefs of Defence Conference attended by Air Marshal Ashutosh Dikshit held from August 26 to 28, 2025? The answer is Thailand. So it's an annual event. What is the event name? Chief of Defence Conference 2025. Where it was held? It was held in Thailand. From when to when? From August 26 to 28. So who was participated? Mr. Air Marshal Ashutosh Dikshit. According to Ernst & Young report, based on IMF projections, what rank might India achieve in the global economy by 2038 in purchasing power parity terms? So, according to the report of whom? Ernst & Young, based on the projection of whom? International Monetary Fund. So, India is expected to become second largest economy in the world by when? By 23rd in terms of purchasing power parity. So the report estimates that what is the GDP India could reach 34.2 trillion by when? By 2038. By 2030, it could reach $20.7 trillion. Where was the National Conference of Chairpersons of the Committees on the Welfare of SC and STs held in August 2025? The answer is Bhubaneswar. The National Conference of Chairpersons of the Committees on the Welfare of Scheduled Caste and Scheduled Tribes was held in Bhubaneswar, Odisha on when? August 29 to 38th. So over how many delegates was attended? 120 delegates from across the India attended this conference. So what is the theme? Role of parliamentary and legislative committees in welfare, development and empowerment of SCs and SGs. So these are the one-liner questions. We will quickly discuss it. During Operation Sindoor, India deployed the artificial intelligence enabled X-Guard fiber optic towed decoy, we call as FOTD system, to enhance fighter aircraft survivability against the hostile radar and missile threat. So this FOTD was developed by whom? By Israel. 29th August, Punjab National Bank, India's leading public sector bank, has inaugurated its first startup-centric bank branch in New Delhi. India's foreign exchange reserve declined by how much? $4.38 billion. Now currently how much India has a forex reserve? $690.72 billion for the week ending in August 22nd, 2025. India's economy registered a robust 7.8% GDP growth in the first quarter of the fiscal year 2025 to 2026. So what's the percentage? 7.8% of GDP growth. On August 29th, President Draupadi Murmu presented the Scope and Eminence Awards for the year of 2022 to 2023 at the Vigyan Bhavan in New Delhi. So these awards recognize the exemplary contributions of central public sector enterprises in driving the economic development, sustainability growth and nation building. So what are the awards? BHEL won the award for R&D, technology development and innovation category. Goa Shipyard Limited received the award for women empowerment. NTPC Mr. Gurudeep Singh honored with the Individual Leadership Excellence Award. Electronics Corporation of India Limited recognized for institutional excellence. Power Grid received the award for human resource management. So these are the revision questions. We'll quickly revise it. Where is the 14th edition of Exercise Maitri scheduled to be held in 2025? The answer is Umroi, Meghalaya, India. Which French aerospace company has partnered with India to co-develop jet engines for the advanced medium combat aircraft? The answer is Safran. Which Indian weightlifter won gold in the women's 48 kg category at the 2025 Commonwealth Weightlifting Championship, securing direct qualification for the 2026 Commonwealth Games? The answer is Mirabai Chanu. Which country's new customs regulations led India's post to suspend most postal services starting from August 2025? United States. Which country will host the 68th Commonwealth Parliamentary Conference in 2025? The answer is Barbados. On August 26, 2025, India signed a letter of intent with which global organization to supply fortified rice for humanitarian food assistance? The answer is World Food Programme. What is the name of the scholarships and mentorship initiative launched by the NHAI in 2025 to support the education of Toll Plaza workers' children? The answer is Project Arohan. On August 26, 2025, which two indigenously built stealth frigates were commissioned by the Indian Navy, marking a historic dual commissioning event? The answer is INS Udaygiri and INS Himagiri. Which volcano erupted on August 26, 2025, marking its 31st eruption since December 2024 and shooting lava 100 feet into the air? The answer is Kilauea volcano. What is the name of the ISRO's heaviest rocket being developed for future lunar missions, including India's first crewed main missions? Answer is Lunar Module Launch Vehicle. These are the national parks of Uttarakhand: Gangotri National Park, Govind Pashu Vihar National Park and Wildlife Sanctuary, Jim Corbett National Park, Nanda Devi Biosphere National Park, Valley of Flowers National Park, Rajaji National Park and Tiger Reserve. So these are the wildlife sanctuaries of Uttarakhand: Askot Wildlife Sanctuary, Kedarnath Wildlife Sanctuary, Nandhor Wildlife Sanctuary, Sunandi Wildlife Sanctuary, Binsar Wildlife Sanctuary, Mussoorie Wildlife Sanctuary. Ramsar site in Uttarakhand is Assan Conservation Reserve. So these are the current affairs and GK questions. Thank you so much for watching Study with Trick. Please like, share and subscribe.